Welcome back. With me now is Beth Lewis, and she is the Water Quality Control Program Administrator. Got to get all that in for the Town of Bluffton. Welcome, Beth. Thank you for being here.
Thank you so much for having me.
And so we are going to talk about an event that's coming up this weekend, and that is the Beach and River Sweep. And that's something that's been going on in the state for, I think it's over 30 years now. Is that right?
That is correct. This is a statewide event coordinated by the South Carolina Sea Grant Consortium and Department of Natural Resources, and they are on their 33rd year.
Wow. That is an event with some longevity, but it's a great event for a great cause. And so we have one locally that we're going to do here in Bluffton on the 17th. Tell us a little bit about that event.
Yes, so the Town of Bluffton has been participating in this event for 14 years. We have several business partners, nonprofit partners, but what we'll be doing is we'll be hosting a litter cleanup down at Oyster Factory Park from 9 to 11:30 a.m. on the 17th. And we will have opportunities for pedestrians to clean up the historic district, as well as those who have boats or kayaks to clean up on the water.
Oh, interesting. Okay. That's kind of a fun thing.
It is. It is.
So,
and we rely really heavily on those boaters and kayakers to retrieve that debris that's already made it to the May River.
Well, and that's something that I think we need to think about all year, not just on the 17th. If we're out on the water and we see something, we need to be grabbing that. So let's talk a little bit about that, though, because you are obviously really involved with the water quality. How can we help, not just Saturday, but every day to, maintain the health of the May River? Because obviously that is the heart of Bluffton.
That is correct. It is the figurative and literal backbone of the Town of Bluffton. We rely heavily on the May River for recreational opportunities. And so it is up to all of us to do our part. And so that includes obviously not littering, but picking up litter if you see it and it is safe to do so. We will actually have educational partners. The Lowcountry Stormwater Partners will be at the event so that our volunteers can learn more about those day-to-day actions that they can take, which, regarding stormwater, because we know that through stormwater that pollution can end up in the May River and our other local waterways.
Right, and we certainly have had enough rain lately to make that more of an issue, probably, at least more forefront of an issue. So for the event on Saturday, do people need to register? What do they need to bring? What's provided to them?
So great question. So the Town of Bluffton and all of its partners will be providing everything everybody needs.
Okay.
So we will have bags, gloves, sunscreen, bug spray. Corner Perk will be providing coffee for our volunteers, and the Town of Bluffton will be providing lunch following the litter cleanup portion. So we encourage all of our volunteers to stay and enjoy lunch at Oyster Factory Park. And so people do not need to register, but just come and show up and bring themselves, wear comfortable clothing and appropriate shoes.
Yeah, and that's very important down here in the South because we all like to wear our flip-flops and stuff everywhere we go, but probably not the best.
Right.
Probably not the best choice for Saturday.
No, you want to wear something that's going to protect your feet and that you're okay getting dirty in.
And so remind us one more time of the time. I know it's the Saturday, the 17th, Oyster Factory Park from
9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m.
So it is a great event for the whole family. So make sure that if you have the time, you join them out there and keep Bluffton beautiful. Thank you so much, Beth, for being here to share about this great event.
Thank you so much for helping us get the word out.
More to come after a quick break. Don't go away.